Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can receive payments. This avoids delays later. Open the PayPal app and sign in. Use your business or personal account as needed. Once signed in, tap the bottom menu to find the QR code or Pay button. This begins the generator flow. Make sure camera and storage permissions are granted so you can scan previews and save images. Doing these first steps makes the generator appear and lets you create a code immediately, without detours. Now you generate the QR. Tap the QR code option, then choose whether you want a static code for ongoing payments or a dynamic code tied to a specific amount. Enter a business name or short description so payers recognize you. Set a preset amount only if you want fixed-price sales. Preview the code on screen and test scan it with your phone camera to confirm it routes to your PayPal checkout. Once satisfied, save the image or share the payment link directly from the app. Finish by deploying the code where customers will scan, print on a receipt, display on screen, or add to social media. Make sure the code is large enough and contrasted for quick scans. Test with a separate device to confirm it opens PayPal and shows your business. If the QR fails to generate or scans to an error, update the PayPal app first, then clear cache or log out and back in. This often fixes token or UI issues. If problems persist, contact PayPal support for accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.